Welcome back to the CryptoWorld channel, everyone. My name is Josh, and let's get straight into the video. This right here is the 12-hour Ethereum chart, and obviously the price of Ethereum is still forming lower lows, while the RSI on the 12-hour chart is forming higher lows, which is of course a bullish divergence. And in case you're new to the channel, this simply means that this short-term bearish trend is losing some of that bearish momentum in the shorter term, and the 12-hour Ethereum MACD also backs this up, because the histogram within the MACD indicator, for example, is extremely flat at the moment, and over the past 1 to 2 weeks, we've been seeing multiple bullish and bearish false signals in this indicator, which usually means the current trend in the Ethereum price action, at least on this time frame, is not exactly a strong trend. So obviously we're technically still in a bearish trend, forming lower highs and lower lows, but simply going off these two important indicators, the bears do not currently have a lot of momentum behind them. But of course, things can change in the future, and if they do, I'll be sure to keep you updated. And as always, it is important to pay attention to our levels of support. So looking at our Fibonacci levels, first of all, we have this 50% level coming in at around 2.8k, acting as a bit of short-term support. But the most important Fibonacci level is the golden pocket, and that is coming in at around 2.6k. And the price of Ethereum has a lot of confluence coming into play at around 2,600, because first of all, once again, we have that golden pocket. Also, when you're looking at the VPVR indicator, we have a significant range of support at around 2,600. And over here on the 3-day Ethereum chart, this massive ascending line of support that has been forming in the Ethereum price ever since the beginning of last year is currently coming into play at around 2,600. So that 2.6k level is probably the most important level for Ethereum at the moment, because while the price of Ethereum is holding above 2.6k, honestly, we're not looking too bad on the larger timeframes, because when you're talking about these larger trends on the larger timeframes, they would only start flipping more bearish again if we break that 2.6k support level. And something else to consider is the coming bearish cross in the 3-day Ethereum MACD. Now, at the time of recording this video, we are currently seeing the bearish cross, but this has not been confirmed because we need to see a 3 daily candle close to cement that bearish cross in place. And the next 3 daily candle close is in around 4 hours from now at the time of recording this video. So that would be a signal that I'll be paying attention to moving forward. And of course, I'll keep you updated over on my Twitter in real time. So if you do not follow me over on my Twitter, make sure you're doing that. And the link is in the description down below and also in the pinned comment. But on a more positive note, at least the 3-day Ethereum RSI is technically still in this uptrend, because we're forming higher lows and higher highs. So with the 3-day Ethereum RSI in an uptrend, and if the Ethereum price can simply hold above 2,600, then honestly, on the larger timeframes, we're looking all right. Because like I just said earlier, we only start looking much more bearish again if we start breaking below around 2.6k, or more importantly, making a new lower low in the Ethereum price, or starting another significant downtrend in the 3-day Ethereum RSI. And over here on the Ethereum versus Bitcoin chart on the daily time frame, technically speaking, we are still looking more bearish than bullish according to these two important indicators. Because first of all, it was only a couple weeks ago we had this bearish divergence between the price and the RSI, and right now the daily RSI and the daily MACD are still trending in the bearish direction, which means Ethereum is pulling back against Bitcoin, which basically means Bitcoin is outperforming Ethereum at the moment. And this can also be seen in the Bitcoin dominance chart on the same daily time frame, because the Bitcoin dominance is still experiencing a decent bounce from this level of support, coming in at around 41.3% dominance, while the daily RSI and the daily MACD are both in a strong uptrend, which means at the moment, while the Bitcoin dominance is looking strong, that just means Bitcoin is looking very strong against the majority of the altcoins out there. So basically, while the Bitcoin dominance is looking strong, the majority of the altcoin holders out there are doing worse than the Bitcoin holders, while the Bitcoin dominance is looking strong once again. But anyway, if you made it this far in the video, you might as well leave a like down below. And if you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe with notifications turned on for more updates just like this every single day. And before you click off, if you want to know how to maximize your profits in crypto, whether or not prices are going up or down, then these two videos popping up right here on your screen are definitely for you to watch. But anyway, that is everything that I have to say for today. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you all in the next video.